guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install, configure and use mobile control passport control app that is by US Customs and Border Protection for your entry into USA in order to declare the stuff and other things in advance, so that when you enter USA you have a smooth immigration process. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, please subscribe again. So guys, this is a free app that is developed by US Customs and Border Protection, and as you can see, it's an Android device where I searched and installed. So I tap on open. So what it does, it has given, so it is for US citizens, Canadian visitors, green card holders and visa waiver program travelers. They can simplify their entry using this app. And if you're traveling in like a family, all can do with a single app entry. And once you have the receipt, you can go there and hand it over to the officer. Okay, so this will reduce your immigration time. Okay, because you will have a dedicated access to some fast lanes. Okay, so let's proceed. So prepare for your trip, secure your information, protect your privacy. Perfect. So these are the steps. Select your mode of entry, either aeroplane or cruise ship. Select up to 12 family members, okay, including yourself. Select your port of entry and terminal from the list of available CBP locations. Answer CBP question for all members of your group. When you arrive at the port of entry, submit the form you prepared. Perfect. Follow the port sign and have your passport available and your phone ready to display your MPC receipt in front of a CBP officer. Okay. And if your port or terminal is not listed, means they are yet to participate in this program. So not to worry, I had checked the list before I started this video. Most of the major entry points are already here. Fine. Next. Ready? Okay, you can quickly access baggage information. Okay, fine. All right, so this is declaration, so you can read it, understand it. Okay, submission reminders. So I'm clicking not right now, but it's always better to uh, have the reminder so that nothing is missed. So you have new submission and view supported locations, so you can click on view supported locations and it's gonna show you. Okay, perfect. Now some of you may ask why it is right here, like Calgary. Why Calgary is there? Well, the answer is, like, you lot of airports in Canada, you will see that US immigration officers are here, so they do conduct uh, like immigration process right here itself, not after landing over there. Okay, so you can search over here where you are going. Okay, so now I tap on new submission, so it's asking which plane. Select CV port, so let's say here you can select. Okay, so let's say I'm going through Edmonton, so I can do Edmonton itself. How who are you traveling with? If you're traveling with family, you can submit one form for all family members. Okay, make sure to include yourself as well. So first click on, tap on select people and a person. So you can scan a document like a passport, or you can start from scratch. So I'm just doing start from scratch. So it is asking for, but yes, if you have passport, I mean, when you are doing the real entry, definitely provide full information. Okay, so I'm just filling up simple thing. John Smith, date of birth. Make sure you follow the format. add travel document. You can scan or manually. I'm doing manual, but you should like you can scan also. Document number. I'm just putting sample, guys. You do it as per your case. Issuing country, I select Canada. Expiration date, okay. You can tap on save. You can set your pin. You can in a login with biometrics. I'm skipping it, but it's a good thing. Okay, so you can add people like that, and once you are done, click on done. Now you can proceed. Agree. Now question, do I have any commercial merchandise? I select no. Transporting currency or monetary instrument equal to or greater than 10,000 foreign equivalent in any form? I select no. Any article to declare that were acquired abroad are being brought into US in excess? Exemption, I select no. Do you have any fruits, vegetable, plant, seeds? I select no. Like I am selecting no, but you read it very carefully because you should never do false declaration. Been close to livestock, touching, handling, visitor farm, which outside I select no. Any disease agent, cell culture, or biological reference matter? I select no. Okay, perfect. Now you have been added as a Canadian traveler. So I select purpose of trip, pleasure, proceed. Now after this, you checking the box save CBP form. It will be like you need to select your travel details. Okay, like when you are traveling, like date and other things. So I'm not gonna go do that because it's like declaration. I don't want to do the declaration, but you got an idea how you can proceed with this. Okay, and with this your life will be simplified. So that is how it works like. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.